I got these two 220 watt EcoFlow bifacial panels for free because you can see through them. I got them free because the little fitting was jacked. Lady said, "What are you going to do with them?" They sell these. They sell these panels. I thought she should know. Well, I'm going to unscrew this, undo that, and you can just take that, throw it away. And I have a new one. And make sure you use the same one, same fitting, so you don't have two positives or two negatives. And this looks like it's still good, so what I'll do is I'll unscrew this here and that and see if I can just slide all this into that one. I may not even have to put a new one of these on it. So let's see if we can get that. Oh, it popped right in there. And next thing we'll do is I will push the rubber seal back in there. And this goes on. This goes on here. And screw that on. Don't cross thread it like I just did. And you should be able to see the little connection right down in there. And we'll take a female side and see if it snaps together. Oh, I have a working solar panel for free. Check that fitting, make sure those work. Yeah, that works too. So I can just push this one out of the way and do the other one. Right now, it's showing me who's boss because it's just wiggling everywhere. All right, so let's take a look at this one. It's the same thing. That got crushed, so a little bit of a pinch on that wire there. Should be fine though. See, the first thing is drop that cap and then pull this back. That out of the way. Then I'm just gonna ooh, looks like it pulled off in there. It's not a big deal. Throw that one in the garbage. And we get let's look at the bag. I'm assuming these are different sizes. I don't know. Yeah. This is over there. All right, I gotta get my tool out of the bag. So, got my crimper. I've never done this before. This will let you know even a beginner can do it because I'm a beginner. Let's see. and have to cramp it again just to make the tool let go of it. This is ridiculous. There we go. Let's see if we can crimp that little piece down right there. There we go. I got it. Now you got that goes in the trash, and let's get another one of these pieces. Here's one. Here's an old one that was laying on the floor. I picked up. They said I could have it, but it's in great shape. I just need to figure out how to take it apart. And again, you want to make sure that this fits just like that. So what I'm going to do here, trying to do too much. Take that cap off, and you got that piece there. You don't need that unless you're replacing the whole monster. Push it in there until it clicks. Push your little push your little rubber thing in there, and we'll bring this up. Yeah, I'm breathing right into the camera, so I'm old, but I'm getting by. All right, that should be repaired. Let's see if it'll fit in together. Sweet. Now I got two free panels. 220 watt bifacial panel and another 220 watt bifacial panel for free, plus about 50 cents worth of parts. What a deal.